Supporting Heroes was there for my family when I couldn't be.
Heartland Heritage Outdoors edition. One of our longest partners here at Heartland Heritage Outdoors is Hag Ford in Lawrenceburg, Indiana. And I'll tell you what, we couldn't get by without them. They're great people, and you go to their dealership and you're treated like family. And they have stepped up the plate, and they've donated this truck, this 2018 Ford F-150 Lariat, and it is an outstanding vehicle.
We again want to thank all the partners, everybody that came together to help us with this awesome build, and I'll tell you what, we couldn't do it without them.
Absolutely, and also, if you're not in the market for a new truck, follow the link below and it'll explain to you just exactly how you can make a donation to Supporting Heroes. It's a great foundation, and it means a lot for these guys and these families that go through some hardship. So follow the link below, and hopefully you can make a donation and make somebody's life a little better. So if you're not in any position to make a donation to Supporting Heroes, just go ahead and share this post with your friends and family, and make sure it goes all around so everybody can get to see this fine thing we're doing for Supporting Heroes.